All right, internet. This will be my first repair video. I did make a repair to Scarface, my 1986 CJ7, the other night en route back home. It was bad lighting. I couldn't have made a video, but I did want to show how simple the repair was done. I was having intermittent lights. My lights were flashing on and off. Also, I didn't have very good lighting at all. It wasn't very bright. I did go to O'Reilly's, and the service technician did instruct me that I needed a new switch. Here's the part that I received. This is the old one, actually. The gentleman pulled it up, showed me the part. We did realize in order to remove the switch, the knob, we need to push this button in here to remove the knob, and then of course it just screws into place. You can see here, rather simple. I already set it out. And then it just clicks back into place. Maybe. There we go. So, rather simple fix. Make sure on mine, I mean, this one here, there's 7 switches to hook up to. Make sure you do not remove these until you see where your switches are connected. They're kind of easy to understand. I think there's a H for headlight, B for brights, all that good business, P for parking, even a dome light switch up there. So make sure that you look at your switches before you disconnect your old one. Again, you got to remove the knob by pushing the button on the back of the old, pull the old knob off, and then unscrew this piece here. It's easily unscrewed if you maneuver the back piece, the back switch. You can get it to loosen up, and then it'll come off from this bezel here. Screw it off, put it in place, screw it back on. Make sure you put your switches and wires back in place according to the previous setup, unless you're doing something different. Hope this has been a little bit of help changing the headlight switch on this 1986 CJ7.